let me guess, you pray salah and you don't even feel the contentment in the sweetness of salah that people talk about. So come, let me be real with you for a moment. So now you're doing your best. You're praying salah. You're showing up 5 times a day, maybe more. You bow, you prostrate, you whisper your du'as, you say the words. But deep down, you're still not feeling it. Now stay with me to the end. I show you something. There's no sweetness, no sakina, no tranquility. The kind of spiritual peace you hear people talk about, the one where their chest feels light and their eyes fill with tears in sujood. It feels like it's only a myth to you. And to make it worse, you're broke, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and maybe even financially. Your bank account is dry, your opportunities feel blocked, your du'as feel like they're hitting the ceiling, and your heart, heavy, unsettled. And you can't help but wonder, where are the blessings? Where's the ease? Where's the help I've been begging Allah for? But what if I told you that it's not because Allah doesn't love you? It's not because you're forgotten. In fact, this might be the very sign you've been asking for. Stay with me. Because what I'm about to share with you isn't a theory or some viral hack. It's divine. It's written. It's in the Quran. The ultimate divine cheat code for blessings, happiness, rizq, peace, and answered prayers. It's been there this whole time. Let's go back to Surah Nuh, where the Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, is speaking to his people who rejected him, mocked him, ignored him, over and over again. Yet he pleaded with them with love and patience. And do you know what he said to them? فَقُلْتُ أَسْتَغْفِرُ رَبَّكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفَرًا. So I said, ask forgiveness of your Lord. Indeed, he is ever a perpetual forgiver. Surah Nuh 71:10. And then what? يُرْسِلْ السَّمَاءَ عَلَيْكُمْ مِدْرَارًا. He will send rain from the sky upon you in continuing showers. 71:11. وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ جَنَّةٍ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ أَنْهَارًا. And give you increase in wealth and children, and provide for you gardens, and provide for you rivers. 71:12. Did you catch that? Allah is telling you, plainly, powerfully, mercifully, seek forgiveness, and I will open the skies for you. I will give you wealth. I will give you children. I will bless your life, your home, your rizq, your future. I will give you gardens and rivers, literal and metaphorical ease. And yet we ignore it. We scroll. We stress. We complain. We cry. We hustle. We try everything except the one thing that's guaranteed by Allah Himself. Istighfar. Astaghfirullah. I seek forgiveness from Allah. It's so simple, so small on the tongue, but so heavy in the heavens. If you're not repeating astaghfirullah multiple times a day, 100, 200, 1,000 times, what exactly are you waiting for? We delay our own blessings by refusing to take the easiest path. We block our own peace by keeping our tongues dry of the dhikr that heals the heart. And we wonder why we feel disconnected when the line to Allah is open, waiting and calling us back. Let me tell you something. When you start doing istighfar consistently, everything starts to change. That tightness in your chest, it begins to melt. That confusion in your mind, it begins to clear. That delay in your rizq, it begins to move. That sadness in your heart, it begins to soften. And you don't need a sheikh. You don't need a book. You don't even need to be perfect. You just need your voice, your sincerity, and your intention to return to the one who has never turned away from you. Want a practical tip? Use a counter, use a tasbih, or even just your fingers. Watch the numbers go up 10, 50, 100, 500, and watch how your soul starts craving more. It becomes addictive, healing, peaceful, real, and you'll wonder, why didn't I do this before? I know you're tired. I know you feel stuck. But Allah's promise is never false. This is your moment to start again. Don't wait for the perfect day. Don't wait until you're good enough. Don't wait for the blessing to arrive before you thank Allah. Start thanking Him with your istighfar and the blessing will chase you down. Start today, right now. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Say it with your tongue. Say it from your heart. Say it until you feel the tears come. Say it until the pain lifts. Say it until your heart tastes the sweetness of salah again, because it will happen. The door is open, and when it does, when the blessings fall and the peace returns, you'll remember this moment. You'll remember this reminder. So don't ignore the sign. This might just be it. May Allah forgive us all, ease our hearts, enrich our lives, and grant us the sweetness of faith. Ameen.